Maraming salamat, Mr. and Mrs.
How? Thank you. Overwhelming, Tito Boy. It's overwhelming. Kasi it's really a next journey.
Opo.
And how has that journey been?
Pakunti-kunti pag nagsisink in, Tito, it was really something that I looked forward to for so many years.
Wow.
Charot lang.
Nagpa-
Times na pag kayong dalawa lang, you go back to where and
Yeah.
when it started. Just for fun.
Yes, for fun. Exactly for fun, Tito Boy. I was about to say, it's really for fun. Like, naalala mo yung ano, yung ganito, yung ganyan. Tumatakas pa tayo nun, no? Pag may nakakita sa atin, to akala mo naman, katniel tayo. Ganun pa ako, no, Tito Boy. Arte-arte natin, kala mo naman, ay, nakita ko si Kim. Wala namang gaganon sa atin.
Bakit kayo nagtatago noong umpisa?
It's a small community sa theater muna. And we don't want that. Kayo ba? Oy, sila yata eh. Hindi sila eh. We don't want that eh. Parang lagi kami, pag umaalis kami, laging malayo, Tito Boy. Kasi we want our own world. Kasi siguro, during those times, of course, we perform for the people, theater actor, tapos nagiging artista na rin. Everything is becoming too public na.
Yeah.
So meron kaming, ay, ano muna natin to, lutuin muna natin to ng tayong dalawa lang. Parang siguro nandoon
And then,
kami.
tsaka during Rock of Ages, isang pamilya talaga kami. So, wala kaming moment together. And at the same time, syempre, meron din lagi kaming inaasa. Oh, lulukoyin ka naman yan. Eh, nung time na yun, nagde-date pa lang naman po kami. So, meron kaming, kung lulukoyin niya ako, edi decision ko.
Sa lahat ng warning, sa lahat ng pagpapaalala ng inyong mga kaibigan, when you finally got to know Gerald, naintindihan mo po bakit?
Nung naging mag-best friend po kami ni Je, mas naintindihan ko because nung time na nag-start po kasi ako, tapos nag-start kaming mag-date, hindi ko alam yung napagdaanan niya. Kung saan nanggagaling yung, bakit siya ganyan, bakit parang bad boy siya, ganyan. Hindi ko alam na iniwan siya, nung past niya, hindi ko alam na nagmumubuan siya. So, I didn't know then. So, nung nalaman ko yung pinagdadaanan niya, meron akong, okay. So, that's the reason why pinoprotektahan din kasi nila, of course, si Je, na apparently si Gerald kasi, he has such a big heart. And, alam niyo po yun, pag nagmahal po kasi siya, todo. And at the same time, hindi rin sure yung friends namin kung ready siya during that time. That apparently, hindi nga siya ready.
So that was their way also of protecting him.
Yes.
So you discovered that he had a big heart.
Yes.
What else is big about Gerald?
Naku po, ang dahil bata po ako nag-yes.
Kasi napunta doon, di ba?
Utak niya po. Utak niya. Very smart.
Well, parang hirap na hirap ka.
Parang dito po yung talaga eh.
Utak, pero ba't nakatingin ka sa baba? Utak niya po, ano yun? Ba't ganon?
How much comedy, how much humor do you have in this relationship?
She's really a sweetheart eh. Parang even kung kahit hindi ako yung kasama niya ngayon sa buhay, I think yun yung best na katangian ni Kim na swerte kahit sinong makakasama niya. She's really a sweetheart. She brightens up anyone's day. Since heightened yung emotion namin during those funny moments, syempre pag nagtatalo kami, ganun din, extreme din talaga. Oh,
Walang gitna.
Walang gitna. Minsan, pag ano lang, pag tapos na yung emosyon, okay,
Or,
pag-usapan natin to.
May dramatic moment.
May dramatic.
Kaya gumigit na ang...
Yes.
Theater actor, dito po. Yung away. Theater actor, theater
Wow,
actress.
may ganyan.
Kayo ba, when you do, I know you have a movie and we'll talk about it. Kayo ba, do you talk about process? Do you talk about how you're going to attack roles? Do you talk about subtexts? And, sanay kayo sa teatro niyan. Do you talk about backstories? How do you do it?
Ay, opo. Ang process namin kasi ni Je, senior ko siya sa theater. Mas siya talaga yung actor sa amin. So, kapag meron po akong project, binabasa niya yung script. Pinapabasa ko. Tapos manghihingi po ako ng advice sa kanya kung paano ko to gagawin, ganyan. Siya talaga yung nagtuturo sa akin sa script and everything. And then, kapag naman po nabasa niya na, tapos gagawin ko yung, kunwari, yung linya, babasahin ko sa kanya, tapos magbibigay siya ng notes. So, siya talaga yung nagtuturo sa akin.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Coach.
Yes po. Pero ang mas process namin since advantage kasi magkasama kami sa bahay. So, mas mahaba yung oras of preparation. Rather than having an acting coach on the set, a hired acting coach on the set, ang nakikita ko lagi is the acting coach has to come up with an explanation agad-agad na maiintindihan ng actor so that the actor can deliver agad-agad sa eksena. Sa amin, ang process namin ay ituturo ko sa kanya kung paano mapupunta doon. So you have script analysis, scene study, verb, everything, and then discover mo.
And it's the same also if pag kunwari the project naman, we're together. Pag may script, we study it together.
Oo, correct.
Sa character namin. And then, magbibigay kami ng mga scenarios pag kunwari, character namin nag-meet dito para sila mag-usap, yung mga ganun po. So ganun yung proseso namin dalawa dito.
Ang maganda doon sa nasabi ni Gerald na ibang atake niya because at home, it's an entirely different scenario as opposed to an acting coach who goes to the set.
Yeah.
At ang concern niya is the set. It's a professional environment. But I have a question. When you decided to live together, gaano kayo katakot?
Ang takot ko kasi when we lived together because it was pandemic.
Oo nga.
It was during the pandemic. So, mas nandun yung takot ko, yung level ng takot ko sa pandemic. Since kasi nag-decide kami ng pa-lockdown pa lang. So, parang jump into the situation na lang. Parang emergency exit. Tara na, takbo na tayo sa emergency exit. Wag na natin isipin kung ano sabihin ng magulang natin or whatever. Mag-live na tayo because tayo lang tutulong sa isa't isa. So, nandoon. Kasi mag-isa lang po ako sa condo, mag-isa lang rin siya sa condo. Mag-isa lang rin yung nanay ko sa bahay. So, sabi ko, live-in tayo, susunduin ko si mama, titira sa atin, so tatlo tayo. Yun lang muna yung concern natin. Kasi pandemic, hindi ko alam kung ano ba yung lockdown.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Ako mas takot. Kasi syempre, traditional yung parents ko eh. So, very conservative yung parents ko also. Well, not so much, but when it comes to living, it was really a big issue sa
Paliwanag ka.
Sa Zoom.
Nag-zoom kami.
Hindi gawain yan ng babaeng Pilipina.
Nasa Saudi kasi sila.
Right.
Tapos, yung daddy ko, iharap mo si Gerald sa akin. Dad, harap mo. Ito po. So, syempre,
Laptop.
Okay.
laptop. Tapos kapag yung hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari nun talaga dito. Hindi, alam mo, ganyan. Dad, hindi nga kasi kailangan iharap yung laptop. Dad, kailangan mo ganyan. Hikain po ako. Tapos, syempre, importante po, yung COVID po kasi ay sa respiratory. So, kailangan may mag-aalaga. Siya po yung nag-grocery.
What convinced Dad?
Pinatunayan po ni Je na talagang inaalagaan niya ako. Magre-report siya sa parents ko. May-message siya. Kahit hindi ako kinakausap ni Daddy, hindi nagre-reply Daddy ko, Mommy. Yung Mommy ko nagre-reply, of course. But it was really my dad. Hindi siya nagre-reply kahit kanino sa amin. Siya magme-message pa rin siya.
You earned that. You earned that trust.
Ganun siya.
How are
I
you
have
today?
to, I have
Yeah, you had to, yeah. Kumusta kayo ngayon?
Okay naman po. Close na close. Daddy.
Grabe close sila.
Nag-love you na kami.
Tawag po yun.
Okay na.
Hinahanap si Je, hindi ako.
Okay. So, naiba na
Naiba
ang
na.
ihip ng hangin.
Let's talk about your movie.
Ako tito, I was so excited nung na-pitch to sa akin. Kasi, well, lagi sinasabing, iba to sa dati kong ginagawa, ganyan-ganyan. Pero ito talaga iba. Kasi yung character ko, si Zuri dito, very, successful businesswoman, tapos competitive sa lahat ng bagay. Tapos feeling niya, isang bagay na lang yung wala siya, which is
Yun.
baby. Eh, hindi siya naniniwala sa love. Yeah, hindi siya, so, wala siyang jowa. So, paano siya magkakaanak? Then, sinalap niya yung ex-boyfriend niya na, ito namang si Andy.
At nung nahanap yung ex-boyfriend, ano ang kondisyon mo?
May amnesia. Nakalimutan kong ex ko siya. So, paano mo i-introduce yung sex sa atin? Paano kita parang the clock is ticking sa kanya.
Right.
So,
Condition.
may condition. So, kailangan na niyang mag-anak.
While I was doing the movie, kwento ko lang sa'yo, may mga bagay-bagay akong nalaman tungkol sa babae na apparently kapag ganitong age na, it's possible na mahirapan na nga ganyan. Siyempre ako naman, sobrang maternal ko kasi talaga. Yung mga aso ko, binibihisan ko, baby ko sila. tas I've always been open with Je about it. So, nung nag-shoot kami, meron ako, pag-uwi ko ng bahay, sabi ko kay Je, B, alam mo ba, na ganito na pala kapag age ng babae, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. So, nag-start ako magsalita ng ganyan, hanggang sa si Je.
Ako yung na-pressure.
Time, sinabi niya rin naman kasi na, in your own time.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Yeah.
sabi niya rin naman kasi sa akin, gusto niya na. So, ako naman, makakapaghintay ka pa ba kung sakali man? Of course, gusto ko na rin. Pero, naniniwala po kasi ako na kapag ipagkakaloob ni God sa'yo,
Right.
ang blessing na yon, yun na yun.
Mm-mm.
In your time and in God's time.
Exactly. And apparently, ganun siya. Sabi niya sa akin. Kasi na-pressure ko ako, especially nung time na hindi pa kami engaged. So, may ganun po talaga. So, meron siyang, in your own time, binigyan mo ako ng time eh.
Ganda.
So, bigyan din kita ng time.
And we are never in a place that we were not supposed to be.
Nice.
Wow.
Thank you.
Ako naniniwala ako doon.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Wow.
Kailan ito mapapanood?
April 9.
April
Sa
9.
April 9 sa mga sinehan. It's a fun movie, as in.
Ang dami pa natin pwede pag-usapan, no?
But for this particular interview,
I just want to ask you a series of questions, starting with the word what.
subukan nga natin. Okay. Alternating.
Okay.
Je, what are you when you're alone?
I'm a serious guy and I love being alone.
What makes you happy?
The happiness of the people I love.
What hurts you?
When she's hurting.
What do you know now about love?
I know that there's a lot more things that I want to learn about love.
What can't you forgive?
I'm a very forgiving person, but I cannot forgive someone who will hurt Kim or my mom.
What can't you forget?
Certain situations wherein someone would hurt my parents. Yeah.
What is it, Je, right now that you want?
I want to know what's in it for me in my life. I want more.
What is the biggest misconception about Kim?
That I'm never quiet.
Because you can be quiet.
Yes.
What is it like to be bashed?
It's like riding a roller coaster but you want to stop it already, but you have to wait for it to stop.
What
Lalim naman ako sa
What is it like to be loved by Je?
Fully paid.
What is life like now?
Life is balanced for me right now.
It is.
It's
What means to you the most right now?
What means to me the most right now is Gerald's peace of mind.
Thank you.
What are you like as a friend?
If you think of me as a friend, I think of you as a best friend.
What are you like as a daughter?
I'm a loving daughter.
What are you like when you're bad?
You'll see the Gerald that you don't know.
Oh yeah, Tito.
What do you want right now?
I would want more opportunities to share my passions to people.
What is the one question that you're afraid of?
Are you willing to lose everything?
Oh,
For the both of you,
lalim naman nun.
What is your epitaph?
Here lies Gerald Depoles. The person that you once loved.
Ah.
ikaw, Kim.
Here lies Kim Molina, the girl who made you laugh.
I really wish you the best life. And now that you've decided to get married, enjoy it. You know,
Thank you.
and don't get married because of any other reason outside of your love and what makes you happy and comfortable.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you po. Again,
Thank
ganda
you very
nun.
much.
Thank you. Wow.
Maraming salamat.
What an
And all the
experience.
best.
Thank
You
you,
deserve the
Ditboy.
best.
of 35, normally bumababa na ang bilang ng mga mapipintog na egg cells. You have diminished ovarian reserve.
Bakit ganun? Si Ann Curtis, Angelica Panganiban, Max Salvador.
May mga anak na yung mga yun. At ako, nga.
Doc, what if maparaanan ko pong mabuntis in a few months' time?
Best of the card. Best of the card. Andres de la Resma, my one and only ex-boyfriend.
Ex mo yung mukhang nasunog ng machete?
Best, siya yung kailangan ko.
Maligayang pagdating sa aming munting sitio, Halupi. Ano nga po palang pakay niyo dito?
Titira kay Andy.
Ano pong gagawin niyo kay Andy?
Makikitira ho ako kay Andy.
Pasensya na, pero magkakalala ba tayo? Hindi ko kasi maalala talaga eh. Mayroon kasi akong amnesia.
Gusto mong tumira dito para makasama mo ang pamangkin ko. Pero huwag mo akong laruin.
Sasamahan ko lang si Andy sa lahat ng pupuntahan niya para hindi na siya mahiya sa akin. At hanggang sa magiging sex na yan.
Ay, Andy, sasama ako.
Sige, Zuri, sama ka.
Sige. Ay, sakto.
Ay, sus!
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Ako si Bray.
Bawat taong may damdamin may minamahal.
Panty mo. Oh, panty. Ano panty? Talaga malogat. Wala na itong garter. Oo nga eh. Tulungan mo nga ako dito, bata.
Para sa ex ko na hindi na ako ex dahil in-an-ex na ako.
Formal naman na siya nanliligaw sa akin eh. Oo, edi mas mapapadali kong makukuha yung gusto ko sa kanya.
So gagaguhin mo pa si Andy?
Narinig ko.
Ay, wag po, ma'am.
Eto na.
Araw-gabi, Regine, woo?
Wow!
Oo! Ano ito?
Password.
May wifi po kayo dito?
Zuri, salamat sa halik, pero hindi ko sasamantalahin to, hindi kita pagsasamantalahan to, kasi nanligo pa lang ako, hindi pa naman tayo.
Oo, tayo na.
Talaga?
Oo, tayo na.
Tayo na.
Hi, people of the Philippines and people of the world. Hit the button below and you will be subscribing to the Boy Abunda Talk channel on YouTube. Let's keep talking. Kaibigan, tuloy ang usap.